Most people who start a business, they struggle with one thing: getting clients. They build a website, get the truck, buy the tools, and then they sit around waiting for the phone to ring. What if I told you there is a way to start a business where clients come to you automatically because someone else is doing the selling for you? I managed to scale my fitness equipment installation business without spending a single dollar on ads. And how did I do it? With my strategic partnership model. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how this partnership model works. And if you're thinking about starting a business like this one, just copy it and skip the hardest part, which is finding the customers yourself. So every gym, condo, hotel, and home gym, they need one thing: someone that installs their fitness equipment. Manufacturers and retailers, they sell the gym equipment, but they don't want to install it. And that's when this business comes in. When you start a fitness equipment installation company, you're not selling a product. Remember, you're selling a solution that every gym, manufacturer, or equipment store is desperately needing. And that need is where the money is. Now, here's the trick. Instead of trying to advertise to individual gym owners or homeowners one by one, you can partner with the companies that already sell to hundreds of those customers, and that's how we scaled, by partnering instead of prospecting. Now, let me break down how this partnership model works step by step. Step number 1, find fitness equipment retailers and wholesalers in your area, and these are the businesses selling treadmills, racks, dumbbells, and machines to commercial and residential customers. Step number 2, offer to become their preferred installer. Remember, every single time they sell equipment to the customers, automatically these people are going to need the equipment to be set up, and you are the person who fulfills that. Step number 3, do clean and professional work. Once you prove that you're reliable, those stores are going to keep calling you, and every single time they sell equipment, that can turn into another job for yourself. Most of these stores don't have a reliable installer, so if you show up, do a good job, make them look good, you can become the go-to partner for them. And that is how our company stays booked for months in advance. Let's talk about why this partnership model is so powerful. Number 1 is leverage. Remember, you are riding on someone else's marketing and sales machine. They find the customers and you fulfill the need. Number 2 is trust. Remember, when a retailer refers you, the customer already trusts you before they even met you. That means that you don't have to sell yourself. The customer is going to ask you fewer questions and the deals come faster to you. Number 3 is predictability. Partnership gives you repeat work instead of a one-time deal. We have had stores sending us installs for years, and as long as we're providing good service, we don't have to win their trust over and over and over again. So while other small business owners are spending money on Facebook ads and SEO, we are already booking customers. This partnership model doesn't require fancy marketing. This is all about relationship and reliability. Now, if you want to copy this strategy, this is exactly what I would do. First, you have to make a simple pitch. You're going to walk into a fitness store and you're going to tell them, hey, I specialize in delivering and installing gym equipment. If you ever need a reliable installer, please feel free to give me a call anytime. Second, offer some value. Let's pretend that they already have an installer. You want to tell them that in case if this person is fully booked, you can take the extra work. That's how I got my first few jobs. I was a backup, and eventually I became the main installer. Third, you want to build relationships. So now let's pretend that you have 1 or 2 stores. You want to make sure you provide them with good service, but also, especially at the beginning, you want to make sure that at a personal level, you have a good connection with these people. Once you get that, they are going to refer you to other stores, and that's how you're going to level up your game. So if you're looking for a business that is low cost, easy to start, and it has built-in demand, this is it. Don't waste time chasing customers one by one. Find the people that already have them and partner with them instead. And that's how I built a 6-figure business with no ads, no cold calls, and no fancy marketing. Now, if you want to start a 6-figure company like this one, subscribe and I'll teach you more about how to run this business yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.